Thank you for joining us and welcome. Today we're going to reveal to you a well-kept hedge fund secret that can allow you to build a successful and consistently profitable trading business. And we're going to show you how to leverage a world-class software platform and a proven trading system that 50 years of history have shown to deliver consistent, significant returns. And when we say that, we're talking about 20, 30, even 40% per year on trading account equity. Our system and software is simple to understand and easy to learn. It's been downloaded by over 7,000 traders and hedge funds and performed billions of backtests for our subscribers. It uses hedged positions and rigorous position sizing to avoid having to worry about a market crash or a big account drawdown. And it can be easily managed in less than an hour per day and only on market days, about 252 days a year. Who are we? We are Pair Trade Finder, and we've created Pair Trade Finder Pro, the world's leading online pair trading software platform for global equities, ETFs, CFDs, futures, and FX. Over on the right, you can see a screenshot of our program. This is the backtester. It's got all the metrics that come out from comparing every one of these pairs one by one to get all the permutation and combinations. You can see equity curves, ratio charts. Our software was created over 12 years ago, and it's been used by thousands of successful pair traders, professional and retail. And it's designed to allow any investor or trader to learn to make winning long-short trades consistently with controlled and measured risk. And it offers a suite of professional advantages to help you level the playing field with institutional traders. So one of the key points of pairs trading: bull market, bear market, sideways market, it doesn't matter with pairs trading. And in a second, we'll show you why that is. So who are we? We are Jeff and Paul, and we've been working together and investing and trading for over 23 years. We started our careers as investment analysts, in my case at Solomon Brothers Inc. in New York City, and in Paul's case at GE Capital. Later, we got together about 10 years later, and we co-founded and managed our own FCA-regulated long-short equity hedge fund in London, England. Our hedge fund, Claridge Capital Management, used a technique known as long-short equity trading, also known as pair trading, on a multi-million-dollar account with over $1 million of our own cash, to deliver about 20% a year with half the volatility of the index. And our Sharpe ratio over the period that we're talking about here was 3.12. If you want to check our audited track record, please go to https://blog.pairtradefinder.com about us, and you can see the audited track record and how we performed versus all of our benchmarks in that analysis. 5 years ago, we bought the Pair Trade Finder business. Now, why did we do that? We wanted to find a simple way to bring the power of long-short equity trading or pair trading to retail traders, essentially to democratize the strategy by making it accessible as widely as possible, and not just to ultra-high net worth individuals who can put $100,000 or $200,000 or $300,000 into a single investment. Why do you pair trade stocks? Well, the main benefit of pair trading is that your exposure to market and sector risk is significantly reduced. It's hedged. And we do that by holding both long and short positions in equal dollar amounts in a pair of stocks in the same sector. All of those points are very, very important. Long and short positions in equal dollar amounts in a pair of stocks in the same sector. And why does it work? Well, it works because the price ratio relationship between two stocks is much more predictable and reliable than the outright prediction of the direction of the price of a particular stock. Now, we've got a chart here that gives you an example. This is Coke and Pepsi relative price performance graph. And we're talking about two very similar companies, and a pair trade would take an equal dollar amount, long on one, short on the other, in a pair of stocks, in this case Coke and Pepsi, that are in the same sector, beverages, okay, and industry subsector, beverages. So what we do is you look at the relative performance of the two shares, and when in this case Coke has done much better over this short period than Pepsi has done, there's a big divergence between their relative performance. And when that reaches certain metrics measured by Pair Trade Finder Pro, we would go short Coke and we would buy Pepsi here. And then when the relative performance reconverges as it almost always does, we exit both here. And it almost always does if you choose your pairs correctly. Okay? So we've developed our software and system to the point that we're so convinced that you will be in a position to get from wherever you are now as a trader or investor to generating consistent trading profits in less than 30 days. That we are staking our time, money, effort, and reputation on it. What's the secret that allows us to make that commitment to you? The secret is co-integration and our new hand-picked Fast 50 US equities pairs that have co-integration. Learn all you need to know about this hedge fund secret to profit, how to use the Fast 50 US equities pairs, and our award-winning software platform to deliver profits on a consistent basis. Just click the link below. See you on the other side.